about? Oh yeah, here we go. Let's go ahead and kick this all the way up. All right, so first, let's see if we can multiply these matrices. We're gonna need dimensions to figure that out. Okay, so here go my dimensions. So let's check out rule number one. Do the columns of this matrix match the rows of that matrix? Nope. Undefined. You cannot multiply these matrices together. Their dimensions do not work out. So let's get one up here that we can multiply. Bang. All right, let's check this out. Oh yeah, works. So we can multiply these matrices together. Now the next thing to figure out is what are the dimensions going to be of my new result product matrix? Oh yeah, so my new product result matrix is going to be a 1 by 3 matrix. So you know what we should probably do? Let's go ahead and set that up over there. So when I end up doing this multiplication, my end matrix, my result product matrix, is going to be a matrix that is 1 row with 3 columns in it. All right, let's work it out. So I'm going to go ahead and start my multiplication by multiplying these rows times columns. First row, there's only 1 row, but first row times the first column. One number at a time, and we're going to add the products, just like before. Bang, just like that. -4 first times +4 first, plus x second times 6 second. Let's see what this results in. Okay, exactly right. -16 and 6x. So when I can't combine those together, they're not like terms. So I'm going to have to just kind of write them down beside each other. Let's write them in standard form. You know what that means, right? X is first, constants last. Exactly right. 6x minus 16. You know where that goes? Since I multiplied the first row times the first column, the answer goes in the first row, first column. And that's the first entry in my matrix. All right, so moving right along. Bang. First row times the second column. And you know where that answer is going to go? The first row, second column. Let's work it out. Bang. First number times first number, second number times second number. Add them together. Matrix multiplication. So what is 0 plus -x? Yeah, -x. And since I multiplied the first row times the second column, my answer goes first row, second column. Exactly right. Here we go. Last one. Bang. Oh yeah, let's do it. Bang. Exactly right. So -4y, +7x. When we write them together, they're not like terms. Let's write them down beside each other, but let's write them in standard form. So when we got multiple variables, alphabetical order. X is before y's. So, oh yeah, 7x minus 4y. So now I can just go ahead and throw that first row, third column into the first row, third column. So now, these are all separate entries. This is 3 different entries in this matrix. This is a matrix that's 1 row by 3 columns. And that's how you multiply matrices together. Now, as these get bigger and bigger and bigger, to save yourself some brain power and headache, we'll talk about how to do them on a calculator. But this is how you multiply matrices. Thanks a lot. We'll talk to you next time with more matrices, of course. Oh yeah. Bye, guys.